Hello viewers, welcome to day 3 of push-up challenge. Today we have to complete 13 push-ups in single set. So as I said in the previous video, previously we have completed 30 days of push-up challenge by completing 80 push-ups in single sets. So now this is the second challenge. We have to complete 30 pull-ups in single set. I hope everyone is doing good. So in the meantime, you two don't waste your time and continue your workouts. If none of them haven't started your workout, just start now itself. Just start by single reps for each set. So just even if you are doing your pull-ups or push-ups or squat or barbells, so whatever the thing. So just start the workout and daily increase the reps by single, which I am currently following, and at the end of 30th day you just prove yourself. You don't want to prove to some other or someone, to anyone. So you just prove yourself and you can achieve the target by the end of 30th day. So which is the key of consistency. So the consistency can make any human too as a superhuman. So just come on to the video. We'll just start the pull-ups and we can do the 13 pull-ups. Viewers, I have successfully completed the 30 plus. Maybe I am not completely perfect, but don't think like he's not doing the perfect pull-ups. Why we need to start our pull-ups on seeing the video. So anyway, I am right or wrong, but I am doing consistency in my workout. So if there was any issues with my pull-ups, so I will try to improve myself. If you have any suggestion for myself, just put me in the comment section. I will try to improve and correct the changes. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.